Man, sometimes I just sit here and look at it because I'm very, very pleased with it. What up, dogs? Tejbz here, and today I want to come with you guys. What up, dogs? Tejbz here, and today I'm coming to you guys with another little setup video. As you guys know, I'm sponsored by NZXT. You see them a lot, and I'm talking a lot about it on my Twitch channel, and hopefully you guys have already seen my H710i white build here that is standing behind me, which is my streaming PC, which is a little bit of an overkill for a streaming PC, but goddamn, it looks really, really good. Inside of there, we'll put a card up here in a corner, some corner where you guys can watch that video. It has a 10980 XE Intel processor, and it is looking very, very, flashy, a lot of LEDs. And I kept talking with NZXT, and I have my gaming PC, which was in a completely different look, and it was standing down here on the ground. So even this black little shelf thing is also new, that I ordered in, I don't know, April or March or something like that, and it finally arrived. And on the stream I've kind of been like setting everything up. I came to the conclusion that it was time to rebuild my gaming PC, which was standing down here on the ground, which makes it really hard to vacuum. I know, that's the stuff that you start thinking about when you become an adult. So now finally you can see the final result, and it's very different. This is a black H710i case from NZXT, and as you can see, it is looking a lot more kind of crisp and low-key compared to the streaming PC. So I think it's really nice that we have like two very different PCs kind of looking from NZXT. And now you guys are probably already wondering, what is in this new beast of a machine? And I'll tell you right now. Both of the PCs are H710i cases from NZXT. The PSUs in both of them are also the C850, which is an 850 watt PSU from NZXT. Yes, indeed, there's a Kraken C73 liquid cooler on both of them with that sweet LED that you can customize. You can even put in your own GIF, but now I've tried to make them slightly different from each other, but full radial fill on it, so you get like that cool gradient kind of look on it. I think it looks beautiful. We're gonna get this Kraken C73 cooler, which you guys can see over there. It's gonna look very unified. All right, here we got some of the fans. We got 3 fans. I feel like these fans are they identical to the ones that are already on the chassis, man? This is what the cooler looks like when it's coming out. For the graphics card for this new black PC, I'm really, really happy to say that Autos Nordic hooked me up with a 3080 Ti, a white vision graphics card. And this bad boy is the most beautiful graphics card that I have ever seen. To finish the new build off, we got this Beatbox, aka the Vision Gigabyte from Autos Nordic to hook me up with this graphics card, and it is white, so it's gonna really break off the black build, because the motherboard is black too and this graphics card is white. So we could actually take a little look at the graphics card right now, because I think that is gonna be very pretty. I have a feeling. Woo! Wait, can't bend it backwards. There, I could. That looks so fucking clean. Oh my god, sorry. That was a swear word. That is a beautiful graphics card. Oh my god. Look at that card. I'm getting a boner, man. I'm sorry. I just regressed to like tiny tapes here. This is the sexiest card I have seen. But let's slap it in. A little heavier than the Founders Edition.
Eventually.
Let's see, I'm pretty sure it's already been picked up. Yep. But we're gonna reinstall it right now. Yeah. And now you're probably thinking, in my gaming PC, what kind of processor do I have in that one? I did already have in my old gaming PC, I had a 3950X from AMD. And obviously, the socket is the same from the old motherboard that I had. So just a mere swap out the CPU and put it in this little case. So actually what happened was that I was gonna build the PC on stream, but where I'm sitting, and right now in Sweden, it is like 30 degrees in my apartment when I have my streaming PC on and everything, and the sun is just hitting my apartment constantly. So I figured, you know what, I need to go to vacation. I'm gonna hand my PCs over so they can transfer my old stuff from my gaming PC into this new one. So basically what happened was I got a little stressed out when I turned on my stream to build PCs. I built a couple of PCs. I built like PCs, but they were simpler. I just felt like, oh my god, when I opened up the box, I was like, damn, am I gonna do this in one day? I got pretty stressed out because we were going on vacation. We went on vacation. So just before we went on vacation, I handed in my old PC. So I handed it in, and we were leaving on Wednesday, and on Tuesday I handed it in, like, damn, all right, so maybe it can be done, maybe it can be finished by Monday when I come home. And I got a text a couple of like hours later, like, your PC is finished, you can come pick it up. I was like, damn, that's ridiculously fast. So I kind of been longing for it this entire week. The RAM that you are seeing on this bad boy is actually also a bit of an overkill. I first had 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz from Corsair. And then I had a rough day like last year sometime, and I just bought another 32 gigs to make myself feel better about things. And now it's 64 gigs of 3600 megahertz RAM. And it was actually really easy. When I got the PC from the professionals that helped me build it, I went into the BIOS and I turned on XMP, which kind of overclocks your RAM, and it was really easy. This is my first time ever hanging out in the NZXT BIOS, and it was really easy to kind of maneuver and check out and see like what I needed to do. Also, in my old gaming PC, I used to record and save all my files on an old SATA disk, I believe they're called, you know, with the spinning that has the laser that reads like a little metal thing. They're SATA, right? Yeah, I think they're called SATA. So instead of doing that, you can see right here, I bought a Samsung 870 QVO SSD that fits perfectly on the outside here on the case. And I have removed both of my tempered glass just so you guys get a little nicer view today. And inside, since the motherboard and the processor are ready for Gen 4 storage with M2 for the PCIe slots on it, I decided to go with an 850 Samsung Evo SSD, which is Gen 4 compatible, or it's Gen 4. So I can tell you, when I boot my gaming PC, it goes within like an instance. Speaking of the motherboard a little bit more, the N7 B550 looks really, really nice. And also, if you look at a couple of reviews of it, you will notice that NZXT has really stepped up their motherboard games. The previous one was good, but this one is really, really nice. Now, I kind of regret a little bit in my head that I didn't go for like a different CPU, so I could have had an NZXT motherboard on my white PC that would look a little bit better. But still, this baby needs to be RGB. So you guys are probably wondering how I feel about my computer after I have now used it for ish a week, and I'll tell you that it is insanely smooth and it is insanely fast. I used to get like some sort of like stuttery lag almost when it felt like my PC was drawing more power when I was booting up a game or something like that. I have had zero problems or zero feeling from my current gaming PC. And I mean, I know you're not supposed to be attracted to hardware, but I think I am. And I feel like I've become like a really good salesman now for NZXT products. I forced some of my friends to buy the smaller Kraken coolers just to get that LED. And again, I just want to say a huge thank you for all you guys watching me and watching this video, and a thank you to NZXT for keep wanting to work with me and allowing me to have 2 insanely good looking PCs. And also, of course, thank you to Auros Nordic for helping me score this white Gigabyte Vision GeForce RTX graphics card. And thank you so much again for watching. Drop a mad like, check out the links in the description if you're curious, if you want to maybe try making one of these builds yourselves. And I'll see you guys over on my Twitch channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm so happy. I am. I love it. Before we end the video, you guys want to see like some cool plays that I got just on my brand new gaming PC? Sorry, the AC is on now in the background. I'm trying to not sweat my balls off. Enjoy these cool clips. Drop a like, and I'll see you soon. Motorcycle. Broke one. Holy shit! I need a clip on that. That is the showcase for this gun. Oh, I knocked one.
Second window.
Flashed it, yeah.
Oh, I got 2.
Beautiful.
I got 2 with the thing. Fucking Rambo, yo.